Hey y'all, I'm in the kitchen today and I'm going to be making salt and vinegar chips or pickle chips or dehydrated cucumber chips, whatever you want to call them. It's really simple to make and it helps get rid of some of those excess cucumbers that you've grown in the garden. If you're tired of making pickles or cucumber salads, this is another dish that you can make, or another thing you can do with your cucumbers. So we like to eat ours with some homemade ranch dressing. You can buy bottled ranch dressing, doesn't matter. So let me show you how easy it is to make these salt and vinegar pickle chips. So the first thing I'm going to do is get these cucumbers washed and good and clean. Now I'm going to cut the ends off of my cucumbers. Then I'm going to thinly slice them. If you have a mandolin, you can use that. I'm really not a gadget person, so just thinly slice them. If some are a little thicker, that's fine. So go ahead and slice all of your cucumbers. The bitterness is usually in the end, the blossom end, so I make sure I get that one cut off really well. Once you have them all sliced, then we're going to cover them with vinegar. Pour some vinegar on there. I'm just going to use my hands to make sure I coat them all really well. You can use tongs or a spoon, whatever you want to use. I just really get into my cooking, I guess. So make sure they are all evenly coated. You can even soak them for a little while if you want. Just cover them all real well. Now I'm going to take my trays and I'm going to start to line up the cucumbers on here. There's no real rhyme or reason to this. Some of them will finish before others, and that's fine. I just take those out as they get done. Once you have them lined up on your tray, then you can take some salt. Just sprinkle salt on them. Make sure you get them all good. And I'm doing salt and pepper on this layer. These are your chips. You can do what you want. These are salt and vinegar. These are salt and pepper and vinegar. So now I'm going to do my next tray. Line them up. This only takes maybe 10-15 minutes depending on how many cucumbers you do. It doesn't take very long. It's keto friendly depending on what. No, it is keto friendly. I guess if you were to want some sweet ones it wouldn't be keto friendly, but this is keto friendly. Alright, some salt and pepper on there. And move on to my next tray. If you don't want to do the vinegar, salt, and pepper, another one I like to do is lemon pepper. I like to put lemon pepper on cucumbers. You can make some chili lime. That's a good one. I'm sure there's a lot of recipes out there for different kinds. What you put on your cucumbers is your business. And one more tray. You can also do this in the oven. If you don't have a dehydrator, you'd want to bake them on about 130, 135. Oops, I forgot to put salt and pepper on that last one. Going to do salt on these last two. I don't think Tommy's ever had vinegar chips, cucumber chips before, so let's see which one he likes better. All right, I'm going to put the lid on, set it for 135. Plug it in, and we're gonna let these dehydrate for the next 10 to 12 hours. And they finished by 8 o'clock this morning, but I had to go to work. Here they are. We already tried some of them this morning with some ranch dressing. I'm gonna go ahead and peel them all off. And I'll show you how much I got from all of these trays, minus the ones that we ate this morning. And I got about a bowl full after filling up the whole dehydrator. It's a cool little snack to serve at parties, or something for you to do with all those cucumbers when you're tired of making pickles. And that's how easy it is to do it. I hope you guys try this. These dehydrators, you can get them at Academy, Walmart. I've seen them all over the place. You can order them from Amazon. Thank you guys for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.